Super quick video today. You're probably here because your windscreen washers have stopped working on your Audi TT, or maybe it's a VW or Skoda. I had a problem where I was pulling the stalk. The window wipers would start their cycle. They would go 3 times, but no water would come out. So I figured it had to be something to do with the pump. Now I did manage to get the terminals off the pump and get a multimeter on it and make sure that I was getting 12 volts of power to it, which I was for a split second. I then took it down to my mate's garage, Sean at Stock Auto Services. Great garage. If you live in the Warwickshire area, look him up if you need work doing. And his tester confirmed that there was indeed a fault with the pump. So I went to eBay, bought one for about £12, and here we are.
If you want to save the screen wash that's still in the bottle, place a container underneath before removing the pump. Mine has already been replaced without said container, hence you can see water on the ground. For this job, you will only need one tool, a Torx T25 screwdriver. Now some people recommend removing the wheel, but there really is no need. Simply turn the steering on full lock to give yourself enough room to work. There's only 4 Torx screws holding the wheel arch liner in place. One here, one here, one here, and finally, one here. Gently pull back on the wheel arch liner and there it is. The washer pump we've been trying to get to all along. First, disconnect the washer fluid hose. Next, unplug the electrical connection. The pump itself isn't bolted or clipped into place. It simply pulls out the rubber seal in the washer bottle. A gentle twist while pulling usually helps it if it's a little stubborn. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Put the new pump firmly into the rubber seal, reconnect the electrical connection and refit that washer hose. The washers are back in action and working exactly as they should. Case closed. Put your tools away, and if this video helped you, I'd really appreciate you subscribing to the channel. Every subscription helps these videos reach more people who are trying to solve the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.